Hi, my name is Jack from K&B Audio, and today we're going to be unboxing the Stage XD5 outdoor speakers from JBL. So upon opening the box, the first thing you'll find is the product manual and setup guide. Next you'll find the wall bracket mounting systems. You get one per speaker and it's comprised of 3 different parts. Next is the speaker grill removal tool and the rubber feet. And now it's the speaker itself. Now, the first thing we're going to do is remove the speaker grill. Now you have the front of the speaker, you'll see the main driver at the bottom, and then the tweeter with the horn at the top. The grill is easy to put back in place, it's magnetic. Simply place, then push in. On the back of the speaker, you'll find the screw hole for the wall mounting bracket system, and then the speaker wire terminal connectors. These are easy to use, they simply unscrew. So you unscrew all the way. There's a small hole at the bottom for the cable to be pushed in. Push the cable in place, then screw back down to hold in place. Now lastly is of course the second speaker.